Iceland is a land of contrasts, with glaciers, active volcanoes and a fantastic midnight sun. The land where the Viking sagas took place. The landscape is wild and colorful, with black lava, warm blue geysers, waterfalls, green valleys and soft romantic shapes. It's the land where paradise meets Mother Earth. Numerous places in Iceland appear as if they belong to a different world. The coastal stretch bends and sways to form fjords and bays. A large part of the population resides in or around the capital city, Reykjavik, that is beautifully situated between ocean and mountains. Wild nature and wild animals, energy and complete silence, almost everywhere. Just outside the capital, Reykjavik, breathtaking and astonishing nature that can be experienced even on short day trips. This country will not just take your breath away, you are also bound to lose your heart to Iceland.